So we are hoping that after the president visited all these projects that was entrusted to the people, to the DPWH, there will be an action. Managot ang mga tao na bakit yung mga project was not delivered properly and it was not done properly. Yung mga engineer at saka yung mga architect, kung sino ang mga dapat na managot dito sa project na ginawa, kasi that is actually the people's money. It is the tax. At alam nyo naman na we are working so hard just to pay even our food. Bili ka lang ng McDonald's, mag-grocery ka, punta ka sa hardware, nagbabayad ka ng tax dyan diba? So, dapat sana may konsensya kayo at maawa kayo naman sa mga taxpayers. Alam namin, ewan namin kung nagbabayad kayo ng tax, syempre magbayad kayo ng tax. Pero ang sinasabi namin, I hope that there is something that you have put in your own mind na yung mga tao nyo dito sa Pilipinas, tsaka yung mga overseas contract workers, tsaka yung mga mga call centers na nagpupuyat ng gabi, tapos yung mga farmers na working under the heat at kahit umuulan, nagtatrabaho yung mga yan. Dapat sana naisip nyo ang mga yon, na kung ano ang serbisyo na dapat gawin nyo para sa taong bayan. You have to do it because we are doing our job to pay the tax. And we are asking also in return na dapat sana komportable na kung may baha, kasi hindi natin maiwasan yung may bagyo, may baha. Dapat we are safe. Hindi yung lalong-lalong sa taong ito, these few years, wala it become worse. It become worse. So, it is all the evidence na nakita namin ang taong bayan na talagang walang silbi yung pinagbabayad namin na tax. Kasi, why? Someone has benefited it.